want to learn how to delete your incognito history on Windows? Just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. While browsing on Incognito will not store your browsing history, it still stores what is called a DNS record of all the applications or websites that you opened. Now just select the Windows icon or Windows Start button at the bottom left part of your screen. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it and then press Run as Administrator. Here, simply type ipconfig/flushdns and then hit Enter. Once you press Enter, these prompt will appear, and just like that, your incognito history is now cleared. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe, and we hope to see you again on our next videos.